Enjoy the view of this 2023 Nissan Pathfinder. This versatile 3-row Pathfinder delivers muscular capability and quiet comfort. Epic family road trips, towing, carpooling, and weekend drives are peaceful and relaxing in this can-do SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, 4-wheel drive, lane keeping assist, fog lamps, premium sound system, backup camera, V6 cylinder engine, heated mirrors, remote engine start. Take every project in stride with this versatile Pathfinder. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.